Hello students, welcome to AES Online English class. Today you're gonna have teacher Albert. Today we're going to be seeing book 1, unit 12, right? Today's greeting, el saludo de hoy. Hi, how was your day? Repeat, hi, how was your day?
Hi, how was your day?
It was good, thanks. Repeat.
It was good, thanks.
And yours?
And yours?
It was great.
It was great.
Okay, let's do it one more time, students. Repeat it after me. Hi, how was your day?
Hi, how was your day?
It was good, thanks.
It was good, thanks.
And yours?
And yours?
It was great.
It was great.
Okay, so we're gonna practice in your house these drills again and again. Got it? Let's continue with the vocabulary. Vocabulary. Students, open your books to Unit 12. Unit 12. Open your books to Unit 12. You're going to see these pictures. Van a ver estas fotos. And it's description about people. Description about people. Got it? Are you in this? Are you here? Okay. The first picture we have tall and short. Tall and short. Can you see it? Tall and short. You have your books. Open your books. Tall and short. Picture 1. In picture 2, fat. Fat. What is the opposite? Thin. Thin. Okay. Picture 3. Strong. Strong. And what is the opposite? Weak. Weak. Picture 4. Picture 4. We use handsome pronunciation, handsome, when we're talking about a boy or a man. Handsome. No vamos a decirle a un niño beautiful, porque ahí ya cambian las cosas. We don't say beautiful to a boy, we say handsome, good looking, handsome. And the opposite is ugly. Ugly. Let's continue. Picture 5. Picture 5. New. And the opposite is old. Let's continue with picture 6. What do you see in picture 6? Okay. Big or small? Big or small? Let's continue with picture 7. Picture 7. What do you see in that picture, students? Okay, fast and slow. Fast, slow. Let's continue with picture 8. What do you see in picture 8, students? Repeat after me. Difficult.
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 Easy.
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 Excellent, students. Let's continue to picture 9. What do you see in picture 9 in your book? What do you see? Rich, poor. Rich,
Rich.
poor. Okay. Ese es el vocabulario that we're going to be using in today's class. Now, examples. I am handsome. He is ugly. He is ugly. She is, vocabulary from the book, she is tall. She is tall. And if we're talking about a pet, a dog, cat, horse, what is it? It is small. It is a small dog or big dog. Yes? Okay. Let's continue. We are, let's use the vocabulary. We are strong. Very good, student. We are strong. They are. Another example, students. Another example in your house. Another example. They are rich. They are rich. And you are. Another example, students. Another example. You are fast. You are fast. So we're going to be working in your notebook, making different examples. I am handsome. He is ugly. She is tall. It is small when we're talking about a dog, a cat. We are strong. They are rich. You are fast. Is that clear? Let's continue with the question. What is the question? The question is, excuse me. The question is, can I raise? What is she like? What is she like when we're talking about your girlfriend? When you have a new girlfriend, what is she like? Is she sexy? Is she beautiful? Is she rich? So, what is she like? And the answer is, she is sexy. She is beautiful. She is rich. She is tall. She is short. What are they like? And when we're talking about different people, what are they like? They are rich. They are rich. Or use the vocabulary. Use the vocabulary. They are tall. They are tall. They are thin. They are thin. Cuando estamos hablando de que están flacos, they are thin. And we're gonna continue with the practice, students. You're gonna have open your books. You're gonna have these pictures in your book, right? And we're gonna do it together. The first picture. Can you see it? Question: Is Mario tall? Yes, he is. Is he short? No, he isn't. What is he like? What is he like? He is tall. He is tall. Como ven, ustedes van a continuar con las siguientes fotos. ¿Sí? Aquí hay dos personas. Usen la imaginación, use your imagination, y hagan el mismo ejemplo que hicimos ahorita juntos. Esa va a ser la actividad. Cualquier pregunta, cualquier inquietud, nos pueden escribir al WhatsApp. ¿Estamos? Okay, students, what did we learn? What did we learn? Question. What is your mom like? What is your mom like? What is your brother like? What is your brother like? Are you strong? Are you strong? Are you rich? Are you rich? Is your girlfriend sexy? Is your girlfriend sexy? Okay, students. Answer these questions and send them to my WhatsApp. Send them to the WhatsApp, que ahí lo vamos a revisar and we're gonna check. Got it? Open your books to this picture right here. Look at this picture. Move on, chat time. We're going to make a role play. Vamos a hacer un ejercicio en la cual vamos a hacer un diálogo, ¿sí? Role play. Are you ready? Okay.
Hey Albert, how are you?
Hey, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
Fine, thanks. Listen, who is she?
She's my new girlfriend.
Oh, really?
Oh, really?
What is she like?
She's tall, she's thin, she's sexy, and she's rich.
Really? Oh my goodness. Are you in love?
Oh yeah, I am in love.
Okay, congratulations.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Goodbye.